Hello, dear Unperseverance. Hope you are doing well. This is your little boy, Hilary Chin. Please, today I want to show you how to recover your password. Okay, many people have reached me and they are concerned about recovering their password. I want to thank Mr. Ajong from Cameroon. He's an amazing father, consistent, really having a lot of sleepless nights. So he indicated a few days ago that they have opened up the opt system where you can, request and then they create a new password for you. And of course, I tried it and it worked. So I also want to show you how to recover your password. Now, this is beyond recovering your password. One of the safest way to protect your system online is changing your password maybe every month, every 3 months, every 4 months is very important. And when you use password, like I always say, use characters, use letters, use numbers, use characters like at, exclamation signs, those different signs are important to mix it up with your password. Use capital letters, small letters. When you mix it like this, it creates an environment where somebody cannot imagine your password. Now, there are think tanks, there are men and women who are very, very creative. Okay? They can be able to analyze a trend and imagine your password. What do I mean? Those of you who used to use your date of birth for password, dangerous. Those of you who used to use your country name for password, dangerous. Those of you who used to use maybe your school name for password, year for password is dangerous. Okay, people can imagine it and create and just use it in your system and enter your system. So when you create passwords, always mix it with characters, small letters, big letters, numbers, space, at, etc., etc. This is very, very, very important. Very, very important. So I'll show you how you can recover your password. Those of you previous unperseverance who are now into Victory with Ash, today I will be showing you how to recover your password. Please share this video. One of the best ways you can support New Sumo Tech is by sharing this video, okay? Liking, commenting, okay? To also support us, let us know that what we are doing is good, okay? And also, you can also become a member of our channel. This is very important. You can also support our channel because we use internet, we use a lot of things, and as we are moving ahead, we'll be doing a lot of teachings and a lot of trainings, especially when it concerns Victory with Ash. So you can reach out to me through my WhatsApp group, the link is down there, etc., etc., and support the channel whichever way you want, okay? We are a family, and of course, we have to support each other or one another to pull this channel forward. So let me take you in and show you how to start building or start recovering your password. Just stay focused. Let's jump in. Okay, everyone. So if you have lost your password and you don't know how to get it back, or if you want to change your password, you think that the password is not strong enough, just come to your OES back office like this, and then you would see an area that says forget password. Okay, this is to give you option to click. Okay, we are going to click on it. Now once we click, it says it's okay, reset your password, and then the email you are going to put here is not your old mail, is your Gmail. Okay, so I'm going to put my Gmail, and your Gmail has to be the alternative Gmail that you use to create this account. So newsemo12 at gmail.com. The idea here is that they want to send a link into this email account. Okay, it's through that link that you are going to click and then reset your account. So once you put your Gmail account here, the one you use to enter OES, please make sure, and then you would now put it here and then come here and click submit, and make sure that you have the right password of that email, that Gmail, sorry. Now they say we've sent you an email with a link to reset your password. Check your spam promotions folder if it doesn't appear in your mailbox. Email not received, click here to resend. Now let's go to my email address, okay, my Gmail address, to check this link and then reset. So I am now in my email address. I have just opened, and this is the headline on passive, and it says no reply. Okay, and then here you would see that reset your OES password. We receive a request to reset your password. Click the button below to create a new password for your, you see now, so you are creating a password now for your OMail now. You see, newsemo12@omail.ai. You see now, to access your OnPassive ecosystem. Now it says the link will expire in 5 minutes. So if 5 minutes passes, the link will not work again because they want to protect the system. Okay, now I'll just click reset. The moment I click reset, it takes me to another browser like this. Now it says new password. Okay, so now you can enter the new password here and enter the same password here. Let's say your password here is, remember that this button like this is to show your password. Let's say I want to enter 123 with a sign, you see, and then with a capital letter, no, with a capital letter, and then with a small letter. You see now, always make your password, put numbers, put a sign. You can still put exclamation sign like this. Okay, it's very, very important. And make sure that this same password that you have put here, put the same password here to confirm, and always put this on so you see what you are doing. Okay, 1 2 3, shift, and that sign is number 2 on your keyboard, and then your big H, small h 4 times, and then exclamation sign. Now once you do this, you make sure that you understand both passwords. You can write it somewhere. Some of you have good brain, you can keep it in your head, and then make sure that the same password that is here is the same password that is here. Okay, and then you close this up. Once you close this up, then you click change password. The moment you click change password, that is automatic. Okay, they will now send you a congratulatory message, and then you will come now to your OES. You come now to your OES again, go back to login, and then you come here now, enter your OMail, and then enter that password that you have created, that we just created now, and then you click your log into ecosystem, and it's going to be smooth. This is how simple it is to create or design your new password into the OES system. Stay blessed.